31. Given the coordinate point, determine the angle formed with the x-axis in the first quadrant. Assume that the angle opens counterclockwise. In other words, all angles will be positive. So we have this got 5 over 5 down -2. He's got a point right here. And so that's its terminal side. And it opens from the x-axis in the first quadrant. So we're trying to figure out that. So we know it's between 270 and 360. Those are the only answers that make any common sense. So how are we going to do this? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to form a right triangle. Now we could form it here and find theta. Let's say theta was 10. Then we go, oh, 360 back up 10, 350. We could do that. I'm going to prefer in this situation to simply draw it back this way. And I'm going to find theta right there. And then I'm going to go 270 plus whatever I find. So here's what I have. There's my theta. I just drew this picture a little larger. There's theta. Once I find it, I know it's going to be 270 plus whatever I find there. Because again, that's 270 to there, and then we're going to add that in. So what lengths do we know? We know this length here goes over 5, and we know this height here is 2. Again, we're not going to deal with negative numbers. We're just, doesn't matter here because we're looking at lengths, and lengths aren't negative. So what do? Well, that's a right triangle, SOHCAHTOA. I got tangent. The tangent of theta is opposite 5 over adjacent 2. And so now to find theta, the angle, to ever find an angle, you're going to always have to use an arctan, arcsine, or arccosine. So we're going to do the arctan of both sides. When I do that on the calculator, I did it a few seconds ago, I got 68.2 degrees. So to find this total opening all the way, because remember, this is like this, we're doing 270 plus that 68.2. So what's that? 338.2 degrees will be our answer for the opening.